are you thinking of? Bakit ganon? Bakit iba-iba yung naratibo? Bakit pinaalis si dating ES Bersamin? Bakit sinasabi niyong meron dong 5 billion that if true the president knew about it, why did he not veto it? Because supposedly in that budget, he vetoed 198 billion ho ba?
Yes.
At least that's what is coming out. So, ano ho ang inyong theory?
Well, the government is lying. Why? 2023 budget, GAA. Sinalaula ito ng Kongreso, 300 billion yung insertions, diversions, and amendments. Hindi kumibo si Presidente, hindi kumibo yung Cabinet. Imposibleng hindi alam to ng DBM. 2024. Palagay na hindi nila nalaman yung 2022.
Okay.
2024, mas malaki, 500 billion yung insertions, amendments,
Was this in the BICAM?
BICAM and Congress.
Okay.
No, sa small committee, may small committee sa House. So,
500 billion in 2024?
oh,
Okay.
2024. Hindi kumibo ang Presidente, hindi kumibo yung Cabinet. 2025, 473 billion yung insertion, diversions, amendments. Kumibo si Presidente, tinanggal niya lang yung 26 billion. Kasi sumobra na yung budget ng DPWH
Sa Education Department.
sa Education Department.
Which is against the law.
Which is against the law. Pero bukod dyan, pinabayaan ni Presidente na yung 60 billion sa PhilHealth ilagay sa flood control.
National Treasury,
107
ililipat sa... yeah.
billion from PDIC nilagay sa flood control.